Oh, I didn't talk that long. The camera was still on. All right. That's how I know when I talk too long. The camera turns itself off. You're like, uh-oh. Went on one on that one. Get off the soapbox. Okay. So, tangent. What is tangent? So we have to remember.
Opposite over adjacent.
Yeah. Okay, so, ka, toa, and yes, opposite over adjacent, right? So we know that this is opposite over adjacent, right? So then we have to think about, what are we talking about? We're talking about theta. So it's all with respect to this guy. Opposite and adjacent. So therefore, 16 over 12. Okay? That's easy. Okay? This isn't pre-calc stuff. This is algebra 2. Geometry. What goes into 16 and 12?
4.
4. How many times?
3 and 4.
Huh?
3 and 4 should be what?
4 over 3, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So that means tangent of theta is equal to 4/3. That's it.
No way.
Cake. Alright. So we know SOHCAHTOA.
Yeah.
But remember, co, no co, right?
Yeah.
So if this is no co, then the other one's a co, so it's cosecant.
Yeah.
Right? And cosecant's a hoe, but how do we remember cosecant's a hoe? Because remember, secant be a hoe.
Way to beat the shit
Right?
out of that horse.
So, if secant be a hoe, then cosecant must be a hoe. Right? But if she can't be a hoe, then she's a joke, right? Ha! What the fuck? I can't stop. I'm here all week. Okay.
That was my joke.
I'm going to steal that joke. I said the joke first. You just said it more better.
More better. Very better.
More better, more better, more better.
That college degree.
Mo better. She's mo better than me. Or is it better than me? I like mo better.
Yeah.
Alright, then, so we go co, no co, right? No co, so it must be co, right? Cotangent. And they're always opposites. AO. Oops. AO. Okay. AO. Okay, so now we can look at secant. And we know that secant is what? Ha. She can be a hoe, so she's a joke. Ha. Right? So, we need to know what the H is. H is always across from 16. H is always across from the right angle, right? So we know that's H.
Yeah.
What's across from the angle we're looking at?
8 square root of 3.
That's O, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We don't have ha. We don't know what A is. How are we going to figure that out?
Math.
Yeah. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay? You got to remember that Pythagorean theorem. Okay? So, H is always C. So that's 16 squared. Okay? It doesn't matter which one these are. So I'm going to use it as B. Okay? And the reason I use this as B all the time is because when I write a B, people think it's a 6. I'm tired of it. So, I'm just going to go 8 square roots of 3 squared, and then I'm going to go A squared. Okay? And then that way, my A looks like an A, and we're all good to go. But here's the problem. What is 16 squared? 256. That was 256. 256. 256. Now that's not too big of a problem.
I thought you were right.
Alright? But here's where we get a problem. 8 squared and the square root of 3 squared. Now if you write it like that, where everybody on the block gets the paper, right? It's a lot easier to think about because what's 8 squared?
64.
And what's the square root of 3 squared?
Hey, you guys said
9.
this.
It's just 3.
3.
The square root of 9, which is 3, right? So the square cancels out the square root.
Yeah.
What's 3 64s?
64, 128, 1, 208, 208.
What is that?
I think it's like 208 or like 2.
Well, 3 60s is 180, right?
Yeah. I know.
3 60s is 180.
192.
Yeah, and 3 4s is 12, so that's gonna be 192.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not a great one. Oops.
That's 9.
Plus A.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 9. All right, so then we got to subtract 192, right? From 256. So we should get A squared is equal to what? 4 and, what was that, 50 plus 10, which would be 60. So 64. What's the square root of 64? 8. So this is 8. So secant of theta is equal to ha. Whereas, oh look, it was A and it's also A, like adjacent. That really is funny. But anyway,
Sure about that?
a little bit. So 16 over 8, which is what? 2. So secant of theta equals 2. There you go.
I have a question for the other problem.
Yep.
Why did you... Never mind, I wrote it wrong.
Okay. We good?
Yes.
I think so.
High fives?
High five!